Hey guys! In this quick 2025 breakdown, we're comparing the best code editors versus Code, Cursor, and Windsurf to help you choose the perfect one for your workflow. Let's start with VS Code. It's still the most popular, lightweight, and packed with extensions for every language, perfect for beginners and pros who want flexibility. Next, Cursor. It's the new AI-focused editor that integrates advanced coding assistant directly in your workspace. It writes, edits, and explains code instantly, great for developers using AI daily. Then there's Windsurf, built for speed and collaboration. It's perfect for teams who need real-time editing, AI pairing, and a smoother interface for large projects. In short, VS Code is classic and customizable, Cursor is smart and AI-driven, and Windsurf is built for performance and teamwork. Your choice depends on whether you want control, automation, or speed. And that's it, a quick look at VS Code versus Cursor versus Windsurf for 2025. If this helped you pick your next editor, hit like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns every week.